Yay! I'm excited with this. This is from Charlotte Tilbury, the latest purchase. Wow, this is easy to open. Wow. Really? I hope nothing lost in this box. They don't even put tape. Wow, here. Oh my gosh. This is the Pillow Talk. Ooh, I'm gonna show you one day. This one is the multi-glow. This is a Pillow Talk multi-glow. Like all over you can put in there. Just for shimmer all over after you put all the makeup. So this is the good one, guys. And I got is Magic Hydration Cleanser. So I got this cleanser from there because I heard this is good one. Okay, so let's try. Why not? And then I have this Pillow Talk Big Lip Plum Gazam. Wow, I'm excited with this. I like to feel my lips like plumpy, you know. And this is good, guys. This is the latest one come out, and I saw in the review was good. So I got the darker color because there are only two kind color of those. And here's my pre-product. What is this in here? I'll just show you one day. This, oh, the airbrush setting spray, perfect for travel size. Okay, I'm still gonna keep it in the box though. It's hard to open, man. Yeah, I think this is it. Oh man, mess it up. Yes, setting spray, guys, mini size. This is a pre. I got, I think, 3 products in this order. And here's the Magic Body Cream. This is a Magic Body Cream, perfect for travel size. Maybe 1 application. I got a different body lotion, so I don't want to use those. And what is this? Oh, lip gloss tray. This is a pre-product too, so I got 4 products free in this video. And I have samples. Here's the samples, guys. I like their samples too. I got too many samples from there. And that's all, guys, for this box. Wow. I'm glad nothing lost in this box because I never touched it yet and they don't even tape. So here's the spray, guys. This is a good, nice one. Look at the packaging. So this is a lip gloss. Oh, look at that. Alright, so that's all for now. Bye. Thanks for watching, everyone.